A man named Rosenfeld came to the library. It's the era of cassettes, and talking books were starting to become popular. And this man Rosenfeld had a homebound wife. She had some kind of chronic illness, and she wanted to have these programs taped for her and Yiddish literature taped for her. Ostrager was out of the picture at that point, but we had a man named Rabin, who had a background in sales and service in the audio industry. I had bought equipment from him before he even came to the library. I asked him. Rosenfeld had the financial backing. He said, we had a little studio here, or studio facilities, quasi-studio facilities. We had Yiddish speakers, native Yiddish speakers here. Let's do our own little cottage industry of taping all the Yiddish classics. And we did that. And Rosenfeld was the first customer. We made copies. And that was it. It just took off. And all the rest is history. I remember I was reluctant because I didn't know, Rosenfeld, you want to have a few tapes here and there, and for your wife, what's going to happen to the rest of it? Don't worry, I'm going to fund the whole thing. No special budget for the library, it won't cost you a nickel. Well, I said, you're going to go around with that. My bosses went along with that too. Trepman was the executive director at the time, and it just, when Henry Rabin retired, he went full blast, recording every opportunity of every classic. He'd be behind the glass, and the readers, the 3 or 4 readers, would come in 2-3 times a week, just read for hours at a time. And now it's part of the big, large worldwide collection.